I was like, I should know that this basket would have not been enough. This 1 month shopping, so girl came prepared. Y'all, I've closed from the office. Hey, this girl finally loses this hair. I've closed from the office and I want to go shopping. I want to get some groceries and some other stuff. I do this like every month, like once in a month. I just stock my house and so that I don't have to travel all the way to town to get stuff. So I'm going to shop and I'm going with my friend actually. So I want to meet him up at the office, then we will head to the mall. Is this place in Auchi? Oh yeah, no. So do I have to pay? So you guys, it's so unfortunate that I can't give you all the plenty stuff that I'm going to shop. It's just me that eat it all alone. So please, but I'm still begging you, shall still come with me in the journey. Fine girl, that one job is as the guy that came down, the guy say fine girl. The man say, look where they go. I say, just look where they go. Dada, look where they go. We need to keep our bag inside. What is that? Let me start with Splice. Yeah, look at that smile. It's like 180. 100 is not too bad.
Huh?
You misplaced it. Or you got off. If we get this stuff is not yet spread, but the basket will increase the price.
It's just the price, right?
This is just chocolate. The one with milk. Everything is chocolate. Gosh. I will break this to Portable Market too. Wait, there's this biscuit that I like. This biscuit that has oats inside.
No, this one.
Is it there? No, not this one. It's kind of white. It has oats inside. Nutri-Sats is good. Like, let me just starter. Okay, this one is
how much for a pack? They don't say pack. They don't say pack.
The pack is almost useless. They are still doing it one. Yes, it's still one. So there's no need to just like taking one. Like,
so
I
you
like
got this stuff one time.
You want it? This Jesus, skin crackers is okay. Like skin crackers on that biscuit I like get the biscuit people. Skin crackers is nice. It's not sugary, it's just there. It's just nice. Are you getting sweet? What are we doing with that biscuit? Are you getting what?
Yeah, it's fun to get.
What about Pringles? I shouldn't get Pringles for my namesake. These are birthday.
See, just get this one.
That shawarma.
And leave shawarma and
she said she wants shawarma.
Okay, leave.
This is almost the same thing now. They don't Hey, is this green close up? Is this green close up that I use?
Oh, yeah.
Should I use the sensor that instead? Let me try this. Let's try my phone. So what else again is this? Yeah. What's the menu? This is custard. I've got basso. We've not got basso. Where do you see basso?
The other side. Still in me.
This one. So what's the difference now of this pack and this one? Let me take this one. This one is just packaging. This one is okay now for the ones. That's all. Spaghetti.
Downstairs.
No, what's packet though?
Nah, carton now.
Spaghetti.
Okay,
Carton.
sorry.
You see Indomie that is carton now?
Sorry.
But what about cotton balls? Did you have cotton balls?
Like this guy, he go to park. He said, "We taking over, man."
Wait, that picture. Do I need any hair stuff? Is there any hair stuff in my list? Nutella, Indomie, spices. Lady care. You would have Shazam it. Just use Shazam now. Just show you the song. This one coming to the mom to look for song that he likes. Let's get chocolate for one of my students. I don't know, she told me to get chocolate for her. It's okay. 35K.
Mama, wait. How much for this bag? Mama, how much for this bag? Mama, this bag. I'm the reason.
You can just get it for me.
Get it for waiting. How much are they receiving?
20K. Oh, the bags are nice. But girl did not come to get it too. What's that? G-Shock?
I think it's G-Shock.
Yeah, it is. Like we used to rock this watch when we were in secondary school, but it's not the original. You just get any kind of watch that's just like that. I would just say G-Shock. Wow, the watches are nice. Wait, get it for me. Stop showing me. Get it for me. Like, what's that? Yeah, and see what has. Okay, it's nice. Actually, I'll not get this stuff for my sister. I want to get my sister a birthday gift. She liked this high. These are high All-Stars. How much is it? 48K. Oh. Wait, I think I'll put this one in the Are you serious? They have cream now. You.
It's not cream.
Yes. Are you sure? Are you not sure this is the cream I'll be using now? I don't know if I've bought everything and this is the bills. It is not a small something. Hey, how much do you have now? 11, alright? After paying our bills, they had to check our luggages, or should I say stuff. They checked what we bought to see if it tallied with what they have in the list. So, well, it took us time there. Then we finally got out. Groceries that I came to shop that I'm leaving the supermarket so late, guys. That's the end of the video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Let me show you how Auchi looks like at night. This is the way Auchi looks like at night. Everywhere is just so cool. Bye.